How to create a Gmail account without phone number. Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can create yourself a Gmail account without entering your phone number. So without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to any of your web application and at the top search bar type in create Google account. As you do so, you will see Google Help. Here click on to create a Google account. And at this page, click on to for myself. Here type in your first name, your surname, which is totally optional, and click on to next. At this page, select your date of birth and your gender and click on to next. Once done, this is what your Gmail address will look like. You've got 3 options, choose one and click on to next. Once done, type in your new password, confirm your new password and click on to next. And lastly, enter your recovery email. Once done, click on to next. So this is how you can create yourself a Gmail or Google account without entering your phone number. Now, as you have created yourself a Google account, click on this 3 puzzle icon and here hop into Gmail. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon in our next upload.